Greetings humans! In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a glassmorphic titles to your video in After Effects. Download the project in the description below and we can start. Create a new composition. For this example, I want to create a new full HD composition. Import your video or photo for the background. Drop your photo inside the composition. Open the All Titles folder and drop one of the titles inside your composition. It has a 4K resolution, so I will reduce it by half. The blur effect doesn't work. That's because we need to activate this star button here. Now it looks as it should look. Double-click on your title composition and paste your text. Choose text control and change settings if necessary. Back to your composition and change comp duration if necessary. It looks fine to me. I hope you like this video. See you soon.